Last year we made dumpster fire ornaments, and this year I thought in order to commemorate this wonderful year, we'd make shipping containers. Yes, shipping containers. Because you can't find anything else, so you might as well make a shipping container, because that's all the news is about. That and, well, that other thing that makes people sick and all that other junk. But anyway, I thought we would make some shipping containers for this year. They're little, the door's open, found some similar ones on Thingiverse, made some modifications, a little place to put a hook, and here we go. So, it's time for a high-speed build montage. Yes, the doors use filament as the hinges, and yes, I'm going to paint these like I paint everything else. Give them a nice paint job, make them look dirty, add some scratches. So here you go. This is at the fastest speed I could make this video go. So I hope you like watching me paint numbers. And to quote one of the all-time Christmas movie classics, "It's turbo time."